Okay, here's a quick walkthrough of how things are put together. In the left-hand side, left-hand panel, we have these are the testimonials. Each one's a gallery. Each one currently has 4 items in it. The image isn't actually used, but I've taken out the images of the people because they're going to end up in Google Images, so we don't want copyright theft or anything like that on people's images. And you can just go into each one and you can change the person who gave the recommendation, and you can do the actual text of the recommendation, and then I'll show you how they're used. So in the so that's the testimonials. I'll close the folder, but just remember you can open and close this folder to make things tidier. So to look at a course, here's practical data management with R. If I open it up, you'll see the structure of the pages inside it. The main part here just has the main URL slug there. The intro section also has a slug, so it basically slugs all the way through. And then in the actual page section, so if we go to edit this section, you'll see that there's a product block here, and it's already linked to the correct product for each one, and that the availability and stuff like that drives the messages for whether or not it shows in notification mode, or whether it shows the the buy now button or whatever. So you don't need to touch them. Here is a video block ready to put in the URL for the video. So the URL goes in there and it should start appearing. In the next section, in the what you'll learn section, the left hand side here, oops, what you'll learn, there you go. Left hand side is text with bullet points or whatever. There's a code block here, and in that code block all you need to do is put in the language, the hours to learn, and the availability months, and save it, and it doesn't look formatted here, but when it looks on the final page it formats itself. In the instructor section you have the word instructor followed by square bracket instructor, and that automatically drops in the links for all the instructors, and it also makes the instructor label plural if there's more than one instructor. Similarly for price, you've got square bracket price square bracket followed by USD, and that dynamically pulls the price from the product block earlier on. You've got a link to in fact that's just going to be this is all going to be bog standard. I think the only thing you're going to need to change is this up here, the code block, and also the what you'll learn text on the left hand side. Everything else should be done automatically. And then the next section is the modules for the course. So basically it's like the FAQs. It's Markdown, but it's Markdown of a type FAQ version 2 because it behaves slightly different from the FAQ on the old product pages, but it's just the same structure with this hash and the name of the open close item and then the text underneath it. The title bar here automatically gets that symbol put to the left hand side of it, but you might need to change 6 to whatever the value is in there. The syllabus, okay, so this one you do need to know. For the download syllabus, what you need to do is go into the button, edit it, and make it link to a file. So click through URL, files, and then you're going to need to upload the file. So you just go add a file, select the file on your machine, and it'll upload it, and it'll automatically be linked to the button. What you might need to do then is change the button label so it says 4 meg, 10 meg, whatever it is. But apart from that, it's just a question of adding a file. What our learners say, that's the testimonials that we've got up here in this folder here. So you just go into the correct one and put in the testimonials you need. Prerequisites, that's just text. so you can put that in. FAQ is this effectively the same as the one at the top for the syllabus, because it behaves in the same way. So they're both FAQ v2, and that's it. That's styling. This you shouldn't need to change because it automatically links up. This you shouldn't need to change because it's linked up, but what I will do once you're ready with everything is set up that filtering so it's only showing courses that are actively for sale. And then we've got this hidden settings block at the bottom, which is unhidden when you're in edit mode. And again, I don't think you need to do anything with it. All it's got is the teachers hidden, but we've got all the teachers hooked up correctly, so there's nothing you need to do. And then also this v2 course page tag, which tells my scripting that it's a v2 course page, but that's it. So I don't think even you need to change the settings for these ones. Maybe if you make future ones, obviously you need to do it, but for these ones I've done all that for you. So I think that's it. So I'm going to save this. I'm not going to edit it because it'll be quicker for me to just run it out to YouTube and upload it for you to view. Cheers.